Hi, this is Ellen from Health Aspire. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make super speedy egg fried rice. The great thing about this dish is you can kind of use things that you've got in the fridge lying around. So today I'm going to use mushrooms, some frozen peas, obviously eggs, that our protein is in there. I've got some prawns, but you could use corn, for example, chicken, or you don't have to put them in because the eggs are filling. Then we've got carrots, spring onion, and I've got lazy ginger, garlic, some soy sauce, and a little bit of oil. So here you have your super speedy egg fried rice. I like to double up this recipe and have it cold the next day for lunch. Enjoy!